This video is a brief introduction to sharing class notes and class video recordings on both Facebook and on my website. What you're looking at now is my personal timeline showing one of the sets of notes that I had shared in the past. In the next video, I will give you more specific information on how I actually created this post. But for now, all you need to know is that I post two sets of notes. I post in-class notes and I post notes after class. The in-class notes are what students use when they attend class, and they also let students know what they will be learning. So you notice that this post was done on January 9th, and then the next class wasn't until January 11th. So I try to post the in-class notes about 2 days before class whenever I can. So you can see here on my timeline that there was a post in between where I posted something else as extra help. And then on the day of class, what's great about Facebook is you can share something that you've already posted or reshare it, or if you have an album, you can go back and share that album again. So again, these in-class notes were put into an album, and so what I've done here is I've shared that album. So I'm letting students know here that class will be starting soon, and they can easily click here to access that album and look at one page at a time to see what we will be discussing in class. And then class happened, and on the same day, after the class was recorded, I uploaded that recording to YouTube, and I will talk more about that in a later video as well. And I shared that recording on Facebook. So there's the recording of class. And then, as I said, right, there are in-class notes and there are notes after class. So here are my notes after class, and you see when you click on them, now all of the information, especially on these last pages, right, it's all filled in. Students can also click on the link to go to the website in order to view those notes. So if you were looking at my photo albums, it would look like I had posted the same thing twice, but actually they're two separate things. I have in-class notes, and then I have notes after class. Again, the in-class notes are not filled in, and the notes after class are filled in. So, clicking on the link to the website, which in my opinion is the best place for students to go, that's a direct link to the notes, and they have the option of downloading the notes as a PDF, or they can view the class recording on YouTube. More examples for assignment 25 will be shared next class, so that is a brief introduction to how I post class notes and class video recordings on both Facebook and on my website.